13 natural signs that you will be rich soon. Welcome, the chosen souls. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. Now we talk about 13 universe signs that you will be rich soon. Well guys, nature is often a mirror that reflects mysterious signs about human destiny. If you are sensitive, there are natural phenomena that are believed to be signs of abundance, sustenance, and wealth that will soon come. Here are 7 signs along with detailed narratives that can generate positive energy. Number 1. White pelicans or storks flying over the house. In many cultures, white birds such as pelicans or storks are considered symbols of purity and good luck. If you see this bird flying in circles over the house, especially in the morning when the sun rises, this is believed to be a message from nature that the door of sustenance is wide open. The philosophical meaning. The white bird symbolizes spiritual wisdom and the flow of positive energy. Its presence is believed to bring good news about a successful investment or a big project that will bring profit. Number 2. Heavy rain followed by double rainbow. Suddenly pouring rain that ends with a double rainbow is a rare sign from nature. A double rainbow symbolizes double blessings. The philosophical meaning. In ancient beliefs, a rainbow is a bridge to treasure. A double rainbow is interpreted as a promise that your hard work will be repaid twice, either through a salary increase, bonus, or unexpected inheritance. Number 3. Red ants marching into the house. Although often considered pests, red ants neatly lining up into the house, especially in the kitchen or storage area, are believed to be a sign of flowing fortune. The philosophical meaning answer. A symbol of hard work and collaboration. Their presence in the house is considered a warning to prepare to welcome the results of your hard work so far, such as a profitable contract or job promotion. Number 4. Sunflowers bloom in unexpected places. A sunflower that suddenly grows and blooms in your yard, even though you didn't plant it, is a strong sign from nature. The philosophical meaning. Sunflowers symbolize the energy of the sun, the source of life and strength. The blooming of this flower is believed to symbolize financial enlightenment, such as a brilliant idea that suddenly appears, or a strategic partnership that will change your fate. Number 5. Goldfish approaching you while you're in a river or lake. In Chinese culture, goldfish coil, a symbol of wealth and perseverance. If you are sitting by a river or lake, and a large goldfish approaches and seems to stare at you, this is a sign of unexpected fortune. The philosophical meaning. Goldfish are considered messengers of the god of fortune. Its presence indicates that you will receive good news related to business, such as soaring stock profits or an offer to become a franchise Elmer. Number 6. A banana tree bearing abundant fruit. In the yard. A banana tree that suddenly bears abundant fruit, even though it is not specially cared for, is a highly respected natural sign in Javanese and Balinese culture. The philosophical meaning. Bananas symbolize fertility and prosperity. The abundant fruit is considered a metaphor for abundance of fortune to come, such as inheritances, gifts, or profits from property. 7. A black-yellow butterfly enters the room. A butterfly with a combination of black, symbol of mystery, and yellow, symbol of gold, that enters the house, especially if it lands on a wallet or money cabinet, is a classic sign in feng shui. Philosophical meaning. Butterflies are a symbol of transformation. The yellow-black color is interpreted as a transition from financial hardship to economic freedom. It could mean winning an auction, landing a VIP client, or getting out of debt. Number 8. Golden butterfly enters the house. Butterflies are often considered a symbol of transformation and good fortune. When a golden or golden yellow butterfly enters your home, it is considered a sign of great fortune to come. The philosophical meaning. The color gold symbolizes wealth and prosperity. The presence of a golden butterfly is believed to be a message from nature that financial transformation is taking place, and you will soon experience an increase in material things. Number 9. Owl in the daytime. Owls are usually nocturnal, so seeing one during the day is considered a rare and special sign. The philosophical meaning. In many cultures, ALS are considered symbols of wisdom and guardians of. Treasure their presence during the day. Is believed to be a sign that you will soon find a new source of income or profit from a wise investment. Number 10. Lotus flowers bloom in home pond. A lotus flower that suddenly blooms in a pond or puddle around your house is a good sign. The philosophical meaning. The lotus symbolizes purity and rebirth. The blooming of the lotus flowers, believed to be a symbol that long-delayed fortune will soon come, and you will experience continued prosperity. Number 11. A lizard falls on your head or shoulder. In Javanese belief, a lizard that falls on someone's head or shoulder is considered a sign of fortune. Philosophical meaning. The lizard is considered an animal that brings good luck. This incident is believed to be a sign that unexpected fortune will soon come, such as a bonus gift or profit from a side business. Number 12. Rainbow appears after light rain. A rainbow that appears after light rain, especially if it is very clear and close, is considered a sign of good fortune. Philosophical meaning. A rainbow symbolizes hope and promise. Its presence after light rain is believed to be a sign that the financial difficulties you are experiencing will soon end, and the golden age will soon arrive. Number 13. Bees making nests at home. Bees that make nests surround your house, especially on the roof or trees near the house, are considered a sign of abundant fortune. Philosophical meaning. These symbolize hard work, collaboration, and sweet results. The presence of a beehive is believed to be a sign that your hard work will soon bear sweet fruit, such as big profits from the business or project you are working on. Well guys, that is 13 signs from universe that you will be rich soon. The conclusion. Nature speaks through symbols. These signs are not absolute guarantees, but rather reminders to stay optimistic and proactive. True wealth comes from a combination of hard work, prayer, and being ready to welcome opportunities. Trust me when nature whispers. It's an invitation to open your eyes and heart. Who knows, your golden days are just around the corner. If this information is useful for you, don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.